Okay, to export images. I'm going to go into my imaging screen here. And I'm going to click File. I can also go through the Patient menu. File is going to show me my current exam. I can use the Update key to select multiple images, and I can either send it through DICOM if it's set up or export to the USB stick that I have in. I can select the format. If I want JPEG and say I want AVI, I'll click Export. It's going to show me a menu here, and it's going to export to my USB stick in those formats. Here I can also select all or change how I want those to view on screen. Next, I can also go to Patient and export the entire patient. So I'll go to the patient list here. First, I have to close this current exam. Yes, completed. And now I can go to the patient review, click on multiple patients, and I can go ahead and export whichever ones I want. And let's say I want it in the DICOM format. System is basically like a backup. It'll store it on that USB in its own system format. I can also save it in the PC format. Let's say I want to transfer it to DICOM. Then I go ahead and export, and it's going to export these three patients. Here it's going to show me the image size, the date, who I am, all that. And so this one that's 665 megabytes, that's going to take a little while to export. And it's also why you want to go back to that Cine Review and that imaging part and select smaller portions of the Cine clip to export. The large exported Cine clips take a long time. So if I go ahead and hit Patient Export, this is going to take a little while to export it all onto the USB stick. So see, it's at 50%, but that's because it just saved the first two. Now it's waiting on the other two. It's got to convert it to a DICOM format, etc. I'll also show in the system setup video coming next how you can select how many frames it wants to save. If you don't want to do that start stop and select only a portion, you can say I only want to save 100 frames, or you can save up to 1,000 frames. So we'll get to that in the next movie.